You know what? I bet he's getting his power from the city lines underground, siphoning it off, you know, and if we could just get underneath
That
the
is
cellar...
absolutely the most ridiculous thing I have ever...
I need as much power as you can pull, but make sure the city can't trace it.
You're right. How did you know?
Lucky guess. Look, we have to get inside the club.
Hi. I just wanted to give you girls a tip. See, Lenny told me that he really likes his women, well, how should I say this? Smaller than the average milk cow. So if I were you, I would either lose some poundage or start grazing someplace else. Should I be using smaller words? Look, girls, I don't want to hurt you. Yeah! Hey! She went that way! Come on! By the way, your roots, they're a little dark.